So guys, today we'll learn about the discovery of fractional or real fraction or real number. Fraction is what? Fraction is anything that comes into p by q form, or also rational number is p by q where q should not be equal to 0. This is the definition of rational numbers, right? So now let us take an example, that is 2x minus 6 equal to 0, and we are said to find the solution of this equation. Solution, that means x is equal to what? So now it can be also quadratic. You can take any quadratic equation also that has a solution like integers, right? So we are dealing with that only. So here the solution is what? 6 2x equal to 6 and x equal to 6 by 2, that is 3. Now we came to know that solution is giving as integers, right? Integers, there is no problem till now. Till this equation is solved, we knew about integers, we didn't know about the fraction or rational number, right? So now we our ancestors or mathematicians got a problem like this one: 2x minus 3 is equal to 0, right? And they are said to find the solution of this equation, that is value of x. Now what they did, they solve it as they always do. So 2x is equal to 3 and x is equal to 3 by 2. Now they got stuck that what we should call this number, right? What we should call this number. So they got to know that this number can be called as a fraction or rational number, right? They call it as a fraction or rational number. That is, they later defined is it in the form of that rational numbers are in the form of p by q numbers where q is not equal to 0, right? Q is not equal to 0. Now the every problem solution they got, like what? Can a can an integer be a rational number? Yes. Yes. Answer is what? Answer is what? Yes. Always. Always. Let us see why. So in this equation, 3 is what? 3 is a integer. So 3 can be written as 3 by 1. There is no problem. That is, 1 is hidden in the denominator part. So this again comes to in the form of p by q, and also here q is not equal to 0. So this is also a rational number. So the important point is what? Important point is what? The integers are also a rational number, but vice versa is not true. Remember that.